Hello there! In this video tutorial, we will show you the steps that you need to follow to set up your phone so it can be ready to be used for the Gelco checks process. This video consists of 3 simple steps. The first step, you will need to go to your Play Store on your phone. You will search for Tiny Scanner Pro. Here, you will select the one that costs $4.99. This is a Pro version. You will need to purchase this Pro version. Don't worry, the expense is already approved and you will get reimbursed for this purchase. Once you have it installed in your phone, you will get an icon on one of your screens. Go and search for the icon. Once you have identified the icon, you can open the application and we just need to do some configuration. You will go to the menu, up here, go to Settings, then on the default process, you will choose the grayscale option. Just click on it. Once you're done, the configuration is done. Step number 2, you will need to go back to your Play Store app and search for the File Manager app. Once you find it, please make sure to install it. This is a free application, but we will need it in order to do some steps in the next video tutorial, where we will show you how to use the Gelco application. For the last step, you will need to make sure that your Google Chrome app is up to date. You can do this by going to your Play Store and searching for your Google Chrome app. Here, the green button should say that it is installed. If it's not installed, please install it and make sure you have the recent version. Open your TinyScan Pro app in your phone. This application is going to be used to get the images to create the file containing the backup. To take the first picture, you will need to click on the button with the camera down here. Once you have taken the picture, this application automatically gives you a crop image. But you can move the crop option in order to fill the area that you want to show. After that, you can click the check mark button to get the image ready. After it's processed, by default, it will have the grayscale set up. Then select the check mark. After this, name the file using the Gelco check number. If you need to add more than one picture or more than one page of backup, you will need to use the camera sign down here. We will add a second page. Once the second picture is taken, repeat the step by cropping and then the check mark so it can be processed. Click the check mark again, and then as you notice, we have 2 pictures. Please make sure that all the images you're uploading are legible. The next step is to click the share button up top. Here you're going to change from large to medium. Then click the Open In option. This will create your PDF file. Next step, in your Google Chrome Explorer, go to the web address that is in your screen. This web address will take you to the Gelco check page within the test environment. Here, you will be able to create as many tests as possible. Remember, this is only for training. Once you have access to the web address, it will ask you to input your username and password. These are the ones you use for your email account. The next step is to create the Gelco check. You will follow the same steps as before. Click the Add option. After selecting Add, choose the Pay To code. In this instance, it doesn't matter which one you choose. You just need to select one in order to continue. On the draft number, you're going to put the Gelco check number. Please select Valid. This will validate if this number has not been used before. After this, select the type, event or non-event. In this case, we will use event. In the approved number, please select the TPM that you need for this. Here in this area, you will only see the TPMs that are for your region. Once this is done, the customer should be filled out. In case there are 2 customers for this TPM number, you will have to select the one that is according. For the pay to order, here you're going to put the name of the store you are issuing this Gelco check to. If it's not a store, please put the customer name or the chain name. Here you will give a brief description of what this Gelco check is for. Here in the fund, it's going to be automatically filled, depend on the promotion that you put up top. For the planning group, here you're going to select the product that you need for your Gelco check. You will put the total amount for that product only. In case you have more than one product, you're going to add this and then continue with your second product. If you try to save the information in order to receive the check and you haven't uploaded the backup, you will receive an error message. Please choose the file. In your mobile phone, you will have to go to your documents, then you will choose the file manager application, and then the TinyScan PDF folder. Here you will find the PDF file. Please select the file. Click the upload button. Once you see the confirmation down here, it means that the file has been uploaded. You can remove the file by selecting it with the check mark, and then click the remove button. This will remove the file in case that you have uploaded a different file or a file not containing the information that you need. Once you have uploaded the correct file, you will proceed and click the Save button. Once you do this, you will receive a copy of the check by email. Once you have printed your check, open the TinyScan Pro app in your mobile phone and repeat the same steps as before in order to take a picture of your printed check. This check also will need to be uploaded in order to link it to the other backup that you uploaded when you created the check. Name it the same, with the word Heather at the end. The next step is to go back to your Google Chrome and open again the Gelco Check application. Go and choose the upload option up here. In this part of the screen, you will see a cascade drop-down list with the Gelco checks pending to be uploaded. You should have only one check as you are uploading continuously every check that you have printed. In this case, you can see that this Gelco check is the prior one that we created. Click on the Choose File button down here. In your mobile phone, click on Documents. Click on File Manager, then go to the TinyScan PDF folder. Choose the image or PDF for the file, then click the Upload button. Once you see that in the drop-down list there's nothing to be chosen, that means that the file has been uploaded and the link to the previous check. After this, you are done.